susunod nating tanong is, ano yung iyong mindset towards personal growth? Ayan. Si Carol Dweck wrote a book called Mindset. No? Nung una, growth mindset eh. Ngayon, mindset. According to the book, there are two kinds, no? Yung growth mindset at yung fixed mindset. At pag tinignan mo, ano ang difference doon sa growth mindset at fixed mindset? There's a difference of belief and focus. No? So yung mga taong may growth mga taong may growth mindset, they believe that they can still grow. Okay? They can learn, they can grow. Yung mga taong may fixed mindset ay naniniwala na yung talent is something that's inborn, inherent in a person. Kung malakas, kung magaling ka, magaling ka. Pag mahina ka, mahina ka. So skills are fixed, no? So hindi ka pwedeng humusay. Pagka hanggang dito ka na lang, no? Maiinggit ka na lang doon sa mas nakatataas. So dahil doon sa belief na yon, yung mga taong may growth mindset, because they believe that they can still learn and grow, are focused on learning. They're curious, they want to improve. Yan yung ano nila, no? Yan yung kanilang focus. Yung mga taong may fixed mindset, nakapokus sila doon sa kaya, hindi kaya, performance, no? Kaya ko ba? Hindi kaya. Oo. Yung mga bagay na kaya kong gawin, I'll be more than willing to do it. Pero yung mga bagay na hindi ko kayang gawin, iiwasan ko yung mapahiya, no? I don't want to look bad, ika nga. So, looking smart. So, anong result? Ang result ay nando sa behavior. Yung mga taong may growth mindset, they embrace challenges. Yung mga taong may fixed mindset, they avoid challenges. Yung mga taong may growth mindset, they keep on trying. They can fail several times. They don't give up, di ba? They don't give up. Yung pelikula, or TV series na Stranger Things, napanood ko yung isang documentary kung gaano karaming kumpanya ang nag-reject doon sa movie na yon, ano, yung Stranger Things. Ganon din yung kwento ng Harry Potter. In fact, ganon din ang kwento ni Michael Jordan. He was rejected first. But they keep on trying and they don't give up.